Join me as I take on the challenge of starting my investment journey with just $100 and see how much I can grow my wealth. Building wealth isn't just for the rich, it's for anyone who's willing to take the first step. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. How to start investing with just $100 and grow your wealth over time. There's a common misconception that investing is only for the wealthy, that you need a lot of money to get started. But the truth is, anyone can start investing with a small amount of money. The key is to be consistent and patient, and to understand that investing is a long-term game. Many people are hesitant to take the first step because they're afraid of losing money or they simply don't know where to start. But the fact is, the longer you wait, the more you're missing out on potential growth. That fear of taking the first step is what holds many people back from achieving their financial goals. They think that they need to have a lot of money or be a financial expert to get started, but that's just not true. The truth is, anyone can start investing with a small amount of money, and it's the perfect way to build wealth over time. So, let's talk about what's holding you back from taking the first step. Is it the fear of losing money? Is it the fear of not knowing where to start? Whatever it is, I want you to know that you're not alone. Many people have been in your shoes, and they've gone on to achieve great things. When it comes to investing with just $100, you have several options to choose from. You could invest in individual stocks, which can be a bit riskier but offer higher potential returns. You could invest in ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, which are a type of fund that tracks a particular index or sector. Or you could use a robo-advisor, which is an automated investment platform that invests your money for you. The key is to understand your risk tolerance and what your financial goals are, and then choose the investment option that's right for you. With $100, you can start with a micro-investing app that allows you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. This is a great way to get started with investing, and it's a low-risk way to build wealth over time. You could also consider investing in a high-yield savings account, which may not offer the highest returns but is a safe and stable way to earn some interest on your money. Another option to consider is a robo-advisor, which can help you invest your money in a diversified portfolio with minimal effort required. These platforms use advanced algorithms to invest your money in a way that's tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. And the best part is, you can usually get started with a small amount of money, like $100. One of the most inspiring stories I've heard is about a woman who started investing with just $1,000 and went on to build a portfolio worth over $100,000 in just a few years. She didn't have a lot of money to start with, but she was consistent and patient, and she understood the power of compound interest. She started with a small amount of money, but over time, her portfolio grew exponentially, and she was able to achieve her financial goals. What I love about this story is that it shows that anyone can achieve great things with a small amount of money. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to get started. You just need to be willing to take the first step and be consistent over time. In another example, a man started investing with just $500 and went on to build a portfolio worth over $50,000 in just a few years. He didn't have a lot of money to start with, but he understood the power of investing and was willing to be patient and consistent over time. And as a result, he was able to achieve his financial goals and build a significant amount of wealth. So, what's the key takeaway from these stories? It's that anyone can start investing with a small amount of money and achieve great things over time. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to get started. You just need to be willing to take the first step and be consistent over time. In summary, starting small with investing is the first step to building wealth over time. It's not about how much money you have. It's about being consistent and patient over time. So, take the first step today, and start investing with your $100. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about investment strategies, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some advanced tips and tricks for growing your wealth over time.